poly TCT and the 12-inch Econolite pad in the shed. On the patio, got an 8-inch black and yellow Durastig, a 1288 aluminum LFE, and a street light up in the back of the mast. Right here is an 8-inch Mark IV, bicycles on it, and a 8-inch green Pan McCain head. And the little speaker beacons I made up. Monster, the 12-inch aluminum PCT with arrows put every which way. And so that's the speaker beacons. Inside, the light would work. We've got aluminum and poly TCT 12-inch, and the works of the operation right here clicking. Then flash mode. It's appropriate for this time of year, at least it's weather.